Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question how we can make the icons in the Greenshot screenshot or screen capturing tool larger. Here when we are just using the simple commands, we get this choice here what we want to do, and here it's actually not a big problem. Where the big problem starts is usually in the image editor. So I open that and you can see especially here these things, and on the left side these icons are super small, and that's a problem because most people then go here and go to the preferences, and here you can change the size. Actually you can see you can change it. You can't use anything in between, at least that didn't work for me. So we can just double it, quadruple it. So I'm choosing 32, which seems to be okay, but there's a big problem then. We click on OK. After some time it will throw an error, at least usually it does it. Sometimes, yeah, now you can see the error, and then all the icons are gone, and then most people think, oh my gosh, what happened? Let's go back to the 16. It won't work with a larger size, but it's actually not. It's actually working. Yeah, let's close this here. Even though we have lost all the icons, don't worry about that. You also don't have to save the screenshot. By the way, we have also the options down here. Of course, we can right click and then we have the preferences here, and you can see these are the same settings here, no matter if you start using the settings from here or from the editor itself. And the thing is that it's actually not a problem. You can see, by the way, it's working already here. And also when we go to the image editor, you have to drag this down, make this a little bit larger. Now you can see also the icons here on the left side and here on top. They are much larger. They have double the size. Probably we could even use larger ones if you like, but for me it's absolutely perfect. 16 definitely way too small. 32 perfect for me, so you don't have to be worried that you will lose the icons here if you change the size. It's just a temporary thing. Just close it, open it again, and then you will have the larger size. So I would say that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.